What is up, everybody? I'm out here today looking for some big bluegills. This is post spawn now. They're out in their summer haunts. They're going to be on weed edges, mid-lake humps, rock. They're going to be anywhere they're going to find a good food base, you know, a good forage base. Well, you know, any kind of bugs down to all the way to small minnows. You know, those big bluegills will actually eat minnows, you know. They're a predator. Anyway, I'm rigging up a Lindy rig style rod with my ultralight here in a small weight. Hopefully the wind won't be too bad. We're going to find out. And I'm going to drag a crawler and a leech around some of these areas here where I've been marking some fish at. Yeah, we're going to try and catch some fish. Yo, everybody. Okay, before I get rolling on this video, it's a little windy out here. So like I said, there might be some wind noise. I apologize if there is. I got my new tuned up custom rod, 7'2" Apex Elite. They're recoil guides in this bad boy. They did such a fantastic job on this rod. I got to show this to you. You say it's going to be backwards, of course, but it says 330 MaNiaC right there. So what I'm working with here is I believe it's 8-pound Berkeley Nanofill. I think it's 6 or 8. I'm pretty sure it's 8. The diameter on it is like less than 1 pound. Then I have a 1/8 ounce tungsten, a little bead, like a, I don't know, I'd say a 16-inch snell maybe, and a plain hook. I'm going to just drag this around slowly, try and locating fish. The good news about this, if I do locate fish and I pull one up and I get off them, I can cast back to them, whatever I want to do. But I'm just going to pull this around with a leech or a crawler. You can catch bluegills, you can catch walleyes, you can catch anything this way. Okay, I do a lot of live bait rigs with Lindy rig style. This one just a lot shorter, and it's going to be fun with this ultralight rod, you guys. I can't wait to pin some big bluegills. Like I said, I apologize for some wind noise, but you know what? Can't catch them from the couch. How loud this wind is going to be. Probably horrible. Alright, there's fish right below the boat right now. One just bit, I think. Here we go. Bit got him. Big bluegill, I'll bet. Or it's a walleye. I think this is going to be a walleye. No, it's going to be a bluegill. The way it's circling. Yep, it's a tanker too. Oh my gosh, it's a monster, you guys. Freaking Freakzilla monster. Oh. Look at that thing. We got a big head on that guy. Hooks are right in the corner of the mouth here. Try and get out of the wind. You guys can get a good look at this monster. Huge fish, you guys. Look at that. All public lake fish. Just so you know, there's actually boats going by me as we are shooting this video. Oh, there's a fish. Yep. Give him a second here. Got him. Oh yeah. There we go. It's another huge bluegill. Gosh. Oh, these guys are freaking tanks, you guys. Look at that thing. Another just monster. Oh. Look at that thing. Gosh. I'm gonna get him going. Uh-oh. My anchor's moving on me. That's not a good sign. There's a tap anyway. Yep, there's some weight there. Hold on. Give him a second. There it is. Oh yeah. All these bluegills in this point are just chunkers. other one that's just a toad, looks like. A lot of males, you guys. Lots of males. Big males. Look at these things. Big males. Giant males. Tell by that ear tab on them. Look at that thing. You know what? This one isn't even. This one, the last one's bigger. Let's just get a weight on them, huh? Just because we can. All right, zeros. It's got to be 14 ounces. 13 ounces. Big old 13-ounce bowl. Here we go. We'll let him go. All right. Let's see how long this lasts. Because I let out more rope this time. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah, boys. What we got here? Big bluegill ski? Walleye? I don't know. So tough to tell. Oh, that's a big bluegill. Another big bluegill. Big female this time. Oh, big hen. 1 pound hen, I'll bet. Oh, whoops. Gosh, that thing's a monster. That's a freaking tank. That's got to be close to a pound. Let's find out real quick. Like, here we go. 1 pound. 1 pound hen. This is probably 10.5, I would say. I need to get a different bump board that you guys can read as well. This one is, let's see here, where's the 10, just over 10.25, you guys. Just over 10.25. That giant hen. Oh, it's going back. Man, I didn't, I got a 1 pound 3 male out of here just a little bit ago before I got to start recording. I'll maybe shoot a video of that, or at least a picture of it. But these bluegills are just monsters. Absolute monsters. We're gonna cast right back in that same general area. That's about 12 feet back there, you guys. I need to get a towel. Carpet was made in 1984 or 85, so it's probably seen a thing or two anyway, and doesn't really matter. A lot of fish. Ooh, I think there's a fish already. Is that a fish already? Yep. I'm gonna give him a second here. Fish in this crawler already. Here, boys. Oh, it is a bluegill. Holy crap! Gosh, it's a freaking tanker. It's a Meg. It's the Meg, baby. Oh, mega donkey. Look at that, guys. Just a hammer. Look at the head on that thing too. Just an absolute hammer. Come back. That's crazy. That was almost instant on that crawler. Maybe just like the action of the crawler in the water. There we go. We'll go way back in there once. Just as a big old donkey just shows up on my flasher over here. Wonderful. Ooh, there's a fish though way back there. Fish way back there. Oh yeah, baby. God, I really like this braid. You don't. Oh God, you guys! I just totally stomped on my crawlers. Oh no! Come over here, dude. Oh, there's my bluegill. There's the crawler they just stomped on. Man, these bait fish are just loading up on this corner here. Fish. Got him. Well, see, not as big as my other ones, but he's putting up a little bit of a struggle. Is this a bluegill? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it is. Big one though. Big one. Huge one. Look at that big fish. Oh, right in the corner of the mouth. There. Gave that one just a... I felt him hit it. Just gave him I don't know, a few seconds to get that crawler all the way into its mouth. These fish are just hammers. Fish are just hammers. Especially if you guys have ever fished for big bluegills. You guys know how much fun this is. Go. Ooh, I felt a hit. A rap, tap, tap. Got him. Not a bluegill, right? Walleye. Either it's a walleye or something where I foul hooked a bluegill. Okay. This fish hit pretty hard. Oh, maybe I must have foul hooked a bluegill. Did I foul hook a bluegill? No. If this is a bluegill, this is a freaking record. Maybe I foul hooked a bluegill. It's a bluegill. Gosh. I didn't foul hook him. He's a big one though. Ooh, it's just a stud. It's a freaking behemoth. It's gonna just a humpbacked monster. Pound. Look at the head on that versus those hens. Oh, that thing's a freaking toad. Another one. 1 pound. Another 1 pound bluegill, you guys. Shabam, guys. Get this propped up where you can see me a little bit. Another edition of Big Bluegill Beatdown. I caught, I don't know, like on video, I think I caught 3 that were a pound. You know, I let one go that was 1.3. I don't know if I'll show you guys a video of that or not. It's a little bit bigger than that, but I actually started out with a really short snell, and I just wasn't getting the fish. Like, you guys didn't even see me put, or even, I don't think you guys even see me catch one on that short snell. But I got over, found a wind, like this whole point here was wind blowing. You guys seen what it looked like. Pushing food up on here, that's where fish can congregate at, especially, I mean, I've been hammering them for hours here. I was just pitching this out to the general area where they're at. I don't know exactly what was going on in that exact spot, other than there's bait there. What kind of food source it was exactly. It could have been bugs, it could have been anything. But we were getting them on crawlers and leeches until we ran out. Gear. Got my 7'2" tuned up custom rods, Apex Elite. Recoil guides in this bad boy. I got this new this year. This has been my go-to rod for all kinds of crap. I've caught huge trout on it slip bobbering. I caught 26-inch walleyes on it slip bobbering. I use it for this today, bluegill fishing. Been using the same 8-pound nanofill that's on here too for all that. Just when I was pulling that crawler back, you just feel them wham, and there's lots of times where I'm like boom, like bite, like extreme sensitivity. These recoil guides, they add a lot of sensitivity. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know, you can feel that bite, and it makes a difference on catching fish. Anyway, guys, hope you liked this edition of Big Bluegill Beatdown. I gotta start catching some bass. Do some, you know, mix it up maybe. Try to do some artificial stuff. I don't know. I like using live bait. A lot of people get down on you for it because live bait isn't real fishing. Liar! If you're catching fish, it's real fishing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, and I hope the wind noise wasn't horrible. Peace!